makes impressions on the inside of her thigh. There are little feathered Indians where we tussle through the night. If I'd known she was religious, then I wouldn't have came stone to the house of such an angel, too fucked up to get back home. Looking over West Virginia, smoking spirits on the roof, she asked, ain't anybody told you that them things are bad for you? I said, many folks have warned me, there's been several people try, but up till now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear, sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you. Be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Sweating bullets from the circles it has raced, like a little feathered Indian calling out the clouds for rain. I go running through the thicket, I go careless through the thorns, just to hold her for a minute, though it'd leave me wanting more. Hold me close, my dear, sing your whispering song softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you. To be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Church bells ring out your window, and I know that all of these things are surely found to be holy in the presence of the Lord. Tell me all that you're feeling, and I will believe every word, 'cause to think you would speak out in lies, baby, that just sounds absurd. And if you want me to go, I will, but if you need me to stay, baby, that'd be a thrill. 'Cause tomorrow will be a long, hard road out of Ohio, and I'll hit every mile that takes me back to Kentucky and away from your smile. Hold me and tell me you need me. I need you more than you know, 'cause now that I found what I wanted, it's hard to let it go. And the hills have always been home, but now that I found you, the shadows seem cold. And tomorrow will be a long, hard road out of Ohio, and I'll hit every mile that takes me back to Kentucky and away from your smile. If you want me to go, I will. But if you need me to stay, baby, that'd be a thrill. 'Cause tomorrow will be a long, hard road out of Ohio, and I'll hit every mile that takes me back to Kentucky and away